Not when he won the first time, he came on the sole ADC candidate to the House. 4 years later, he went back to Kogi. He brought somebody else for the ADC. Honorable Abejide, I know you to be a committed party man. I know you to be a fighter. I know you to be someone who does not like to be cheated. So please, my charge to you is to stay in that same ADC. Fight them. Scatter them. Hold on to your party, ADC. Do not allow them. We like what you are doing. Continue. Don't mind the former governor said that you should come and join APC. No. Stay in ADC. Win your re-election in ADC as you will. Bring Gombe, what's his name again? Gombe, bring him. We will support him. Bring him. Do the right thing. You are a fighter. Do the right thing. Nobody can come and take your party away from you. A party that you built up for years with your sweat and your money and everything. No. Continue. Good luck in court. So I honestly, I just said that as an aside. I know you're fighting on principle. I know that you will continue to do what is right, because that is how you've lived your life. You've lived your life. You're a stand-up guy. You're an upright guy. I know you. I feel you. This is one person that I see regularly, even after I left the House of Representatives. No matter how tough or difficult times are, my work is very difficult, very demanding. He still finds a way to show up, and I thank you for that. Thank you for all your support. It did not take me long after I emerged as a speaker to identify talent, to identify him as a talented legislator, and it was easy for me to give him the chairmanship of the Committee on Customs, which he has retained, and my successor in office, Tajin Abbas, did not even need any persuasion. He also knew that Leke did a good job in the preceding 4 years, and he wanted him to continue that job, and he's doing it very well. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you. For those of you who are not married, and I don't know how many there are here who are not married, for those of you who are not married, I want you to just take a cue. Just look at this couple. Look at how good they look. Look at how resplendent they are. Look at how God actually lives or walks through this fine couple. And if you are not married or are yet to be married, please ask Leke to take you to that mountain top where he said he went for 7 days to fast.
Yes, sir.
So that you too can follow suit and fast and hear from God that yes, this is your wife. God bless you all and thank you very much.